Large 2-bedroom 2-bathroom condo located in the elegant mixed-use community of Bayfront. You are just an elevator ride to restaurants, art galleries, shopping, and the marina. This split floor plan offers an open layout including tile throughout with carpet in the bedrooms. King bed offered in the master suite and queen bed offered in the second bedroom. Enjoy your coffee with a gorgeous view from the balcony. The community offers 2 pools, 2 jacuzzis, 2 tennis courts, an exercise room, a community room, and gas barbecue grills. Walk to 5th Avenue and the breathtaking Gulf beaches. This is the ultimate in sophisticated Naples living.